Yep. Okay, as I promised you guys, I will be literally uploading a recap of every trade I take from now on. So most importantly for this experiment, I have opened up 100 Uganda shillings demo account that I'm going to be trading with, and I want to see to how much I can literally run it to by risking 10k daily, which gives me a total of 10 trades before I blow it up. So with that, I think let us do today's trade recap, as I took one trade and it fortunately ran to full take profit. So first and foremost, this is the account. As you can see, if we go to the history, as you can see, today we've made 18k, and deposit today 100,000, and the profits we have are 18,000. I was literally risking 1%, like 1 to get to 1.8 hour, So this is the trade I took. So first things first, today's bias was a little bit confusing, but I managed to get it right, So we came on the daily. As you can see, for the daily, it was literally bearish on NQ. Then I went on the 4-hour. To check on the 4-hour, we had started having price displacement to the upside, like we had invested this 4-hour bearish fair value gap. We were literally flowing to the upside, and we will go for the 1-hour, literally the same stuff, the 1-hour 13. Yeah, we were up here, so literally my main targets of today were these highs right here, as these highs were not hit on any of the indices, be it NQ or US 500. So yeah, those were my targets. These right here were my targets, So with that, I looked at NQ, and we were literally trending to these highs, to these low resistance draws on liquidity, and I was confident in them. So remember, my bias is bullish, and if I want to buy, that means I want market to come down first to give me a manipulation. Then I see a change of market character from there, or what most of you call as market structure shift. Then I be able to enter from there, and I use the minute one for my entries, not any other time frame, minute one, and at times 5 minutes, but I don't go below the 1 minute. So my bias was literally bullish. So let me put for you the M1, the minute one. So right at open, when we opened at 13:30, remember I want us to trade lower before we can trade higher, So the market came right at 13:30 here, and we had this small manipulation to the downside, But this manipulation that we had, to me, it wasn't enough, as it had not hit any meaningful point of interest to me, so that I can be able to enter longs, So after I saw that, I was okay, it is fine, let me be patient, since I'm not in a rush, the market will print, So